it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to me to go over everything. They say that time's supposed to heal, yeah, but ain't much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who's supposed to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how I felt before the world will let you be. There's such a difference between us, a million miles. My face above the water, my feet can touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands and the horizon. Every time you are not around, I'm slowly drifting, I'm drifting away. Waves after wave, wave after wave, I'm slowly drifting, I'm drifting away. And it feels like a drowning, pulling against the stream, pulling against the stream. We should make it easy, easy to love me, love me. Still I reach to find the way. I'm stuck here in between. I was looking for the right words to say. Slowly